ARI can be powered by 3 AAA alkaline batteries or via the optional Presidium Universal USB adapter. Press and hold the button to turn on the tester without removing the protective cover. This button also acts as a back button. The Presidium logo will appear on the display screen, followed by the ARI logo. As the tester is being automatically calibrated during powering on, do not remove the protective cover until the home page is loaded. Select the gear icon on the bottom left of the screen to enter the settings function. In the settings function, you may adjust the volume level and language selection by pressing the left or right buttons to toggle between selection. Press the back button to return to the home menu. Select the screen rotation to rotate display. Select the tutorial icon on the bottom right to enter a tutorial quick guide for proper testing procedures.